Hello everyone, welcome to the art session. As the name suggests, Art Simplified is an art which is very simple, very easy to make, so the children will love it and it takes very less time. They can do it on their own with very little help from the parents, and they can see the results immediately, so they are also happy. And it is also done using materials easily available at home. And we also try to include variety in whatever artworks we are doing. Okay, so let's start. Today I'm going to make a new type of art that is called raised salt painting. The materials we need are salt, Fevicol, one pencil also you need, and you can draw any figure you like. I have chosen a butterfly. You can even draw birds, uh, uh, landscape like scenery, flowers, anything which you like. I have chosen a butterfly. So I am drawing the outline of a butterfly. Parents can draw this a little bigger and keep it ready. So after drawing this outline, what you have to do is ask the child to apply Fevicol inside the boundary. See, this is the butterfly I have drawn, outline of a butterfly. Inside this boundary, Fevicol has to be applied. You can just put it like this. And evenly spread the Fevicol inside the boundary. You can also help them a bit because it should be within the boundary. The Fevicol should be evenly spread. So very simple art. The main part is application of Fevicol and sprinkling of salt and paint. That's all. So much fun doing this. So children would love it. Okay, so I have applied it all over the wings of the butterfly. Now I'm applying a little on the antenna of the butterfly also. This has to be applied a bit carefully because it's a bit thin. That's all. So now we are done with the application of Fevicol. Now you give the salt bowl to the child. Ask him to take some salt and spread it, sprinkle it wherever we have applied Fevicol. They would love to do this. Even if it goes outside, it is fine. They can Just take salt and just spread it all over the paper. If they spread, that also is fine. I'm doing it a bit faster. And over this, Antonin, they would love it because the young children, they like to play with sand. They like to feel the texture of the sand. Similar way, they would like to feel the texture of salt also, I'm sure. So this involves some sensory activity also, fine motor skills. So that's it. So we have spread, now sprinkle salt all over the paper somewhat. Keep it for a while. Now the wherever Fevicol has been applied, the salt will be sticking onto it. So what we can do is, after a while, you just tip off the salt which is spread outside. Just by doing like this, the salt which is spread outside the boundary will just fall down. You can even dust it. See. See. Wherever Fevicol is not there, that salt will be tipped off. Okay. So now we have here a little bit you have to apply. Almost we have got the shape of a butterfly. If you feel some patches, blank patches are there, you can just put some Fevicol and put some salt over it just to complete. That's all. Okay, so it has come out very well. And now is the last final part. I have kept watercolors. Watery it is. It should be in the liquid form, liquid paint form. Okay. So now ask the child to dip in any color he likes, his choice, any color he likes. I'm taking blue. Just put drop. This is the magic. See, whenever you put drops, you can see the salt absorbing the paint. It will just spread here and there. Either you can drop it using a dropper or using the paintbrush. Now dip in water, wipe it dry. You take another color. Maybe it should be a little more watery. Even if you touch, you can see it spreading. Like this. So much fun doing this. This is actually science because salt absorbs water. Now I'm taking red. Make sure the child is dropping the paint on the salt. See, if he's able to touch gently the salt surface, that is also fine because immediately it will spread. Preferably, the paint should be more watery. Then you can see it really spreading fast. I'm taking green now. Once it is dry, it will look very beautiful. Actually, the drops I am putting are very small, but since the salt absorbs it, it is spreading. The colors, even if they mix colors, that's also fine. It will look beautiful. See, it's spreading fast. Gently touching on the surface. They don't have to paint at all. They just have to drop the paint. That's all. Now for the final thing, the antennae of the butterfly. This a little carefully they have to do because it's kind of thin line. Maybe you can help them, parents or siblings can help them. Just guide them, holding their hand. Once you start doing this, you will really get ideas. Almost done. I'm not, I have to keep it for drying for some time. So I can show you like this. And after it dries, you can draw the outline once more. Wherever you have drawn with a pencil, with a sketch pen, you can draw the outline. Just to make it look more attractive. So this is the butterfly. See, the butterfly made using raised salt. It is actually salt painting. Hope you all loved it. Please try it out. Thank you so much.